Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Wings PowerPods True Wireless Earbuds. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the device looks like, and the model name as well as the brand name is clearly visible. On the bottom, you've got the brand name again. On the top, you've got the manufacturer's contact information. The left-hand side, you've got a couple of features being called out. First being that it has a digital display on the charging case. You've got a power bank function, so you can use the charging case to charge other devices. There's a low latency mode, which is triggered while gaming. It offers 150 hours of playtime, and you've got voice assistant support on these earpods. There's the name of the, or rather the model name of the device. Aside from that, nothing else. So we'll go to the back side. Over here, you've got a little note regarding the brand and whatever they were thinking of while designing these earpods. Aside from that, you've got a little QR code, which probably takes you to the website. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. First is the charging cable, which uses a micro USB interface on one side and a USB type A interface on the other. The cable is about 25 to 30 centimeters long. Then you've got a little card, which is the warranty card. Always read through the information on the warranty card and also check the Amazon listing page to understand exactly what is covered and for how long. On the inside, you also get a couple of replacement ear tips. These come in all sizes. So you've got small, medium, and large. Then you've got the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. And lastly, you've got the charging case with the earbuds inside them. Opening it up, or rather, opening the case activates the buds on the inside. And if you do close it, you can also see how much charge is left inside. It's reading 28%, though the camera might have some difficulty picking it up. The charging interface is on the bottom. It's hidden behind a little compartment. So you have the micro USB port, which is used to charge the charging case. And you have the Type A interface, which allows you to use the battery inside the charging case as a power bank. So this is a convenient feature. The earbuds are magnetically retained. And that's about it. That was the unboxing of the Wings PowerPods True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.